Dear viewers, welcome to the session and discussion. In this discussion, we are going to understand the one of the pillar when we talk about the TM and EWM integration part. Okay, so directly go with the TM EWM integration process. We should understand first the basic pillars. When we talk about the basic pillar, okay, so we have the different types of processes here. For an example, transit warehousing, direct integration, okay, or advanced shipping and receiving. We have some of the major differences in between when we talk about direct integration, EWM TM direct integration, or EWM TM, which is the advanced shipping and receiving integration. So when we use SAP TM and EWM direct integration, in this process, or this process works with transportable unit, or I can say this is the TU centric process, where transportable unit, which is the truck or vehicle, plays the major role here in this process. Or when we talk about SAP TM EWM direct integration process, TU transportable unit is the backbone of the process, or this is the TU centric process. Here we need some of the configuration in the system, technical side, basis side. We have the T code SOAMANAGER. Here system communicates EWM, TM or TM, EWM through the extensible markup language file, XML file. So this is the direct integration, is the TU centric process. Backbone is the transportable unit. But when we, or in the direct integration, TU centric, TM EWM and TM process, either we will go with the inbound delivery process or outbound delivery process. In this process, system uses some of the web services, system uses XML file, and this is the TU centric process. But why we call advanced shipping and receiving process, either with the inbound delivery or outbound delivery? When we use a direct or direct integration, here we have the TU, here we have the plant shipper handling unit in the EWM side, or in the middleware in the S4HANA or ERP layer side, we have the XML5. We need to configure some of the setups here, which plays the major role, and this is the TU centric. For the system configurations, we need both sides setup actually, if we use the ASR or direct integration or transit warehousing. But I am trying to explain you some of the major differences. So when we talk about when we speak about SAP TM EWM integration, it contains inbound delivery or outbound delivery, both the process. When we talk about ASR, advanced shipping and receiving, it also supports both the processes. But what is the difference? which make this process an advance. That's why we call advanced shipping and receiving. The first thing, when we talk about the advanced shipping and receiving, inbound delivery side or outbound delivery process, transportable units are not compulsory. Okay. We no need to execute, do the configuration through the T codes. SOAMANAGER, like basis consultants, they do the settings configurations. So this is advanced process, and this is not, ASR is not only TU centric. We have lots of things. Our visibility is like very high when we talk about the SAP TM, EWM, advanced shipping and receiving process. We have lots of things, freight orders, freight units, not only transportable unit. Like, or let's talk a simple process where we suppose don't use SAP TM or EWM process. Simple process. We create the transportable unit. We assign to the inbound or outbound deliveries. Okay, we trigger manually. We can trigger automatically through the post-processing framework. Simple process. TU in SAP EWM. Vehicle creation in EWM. Custom vehicle creations or execution in the EWM. In the integration part, advanced shipping and receiving has visibility, freight units, order base, okay, in the very vast area. That's why, and few of the steps we don't require here, it's not necessary, like SOAMANAGER setups. Okay, so advanced shipping and receiving process, that's why we call this as an advance. Okay guys, my name is Nagar. I'm from Learn with Mans, where I provide the consultation, resume preparations, career guidance, supports, trainings, and my intention to help to the students to understand the complex business processes in the easiest way. In the SAP EWM side, or in the transportable management or transport management side. When we talk about the technical side, we have SAP ABAP, SAP S/4HANA technical. One example I will give you, very simple example. In ABAP, we create some reports, for an example, to display the transportable unit, to display the some of the business data, shipping details. We have the different tables in the central repository system, which is the DDIC. And when we develop the same code report on the S/4HANA technical side, it takes microseconds, and we can get the output. The benefit of the S/4HANA technical, and we can consume that S/4HANA created report into our normal ABAP SC38. We can call that reusability. Okay, so if you're looking for training, consulting, supports, please get back to me. So here in our topic we understood advanced shipping and receiving is an advanced process, because here we have more enhanced visibility towards all the business process like freight order, freight units. When we talk about the direct integration, it's a TU centric, I can say TU is the major thing here when we talk about the direct integration, either with the inbound delivery process or outbound delivery process. When we talk about the ASR, yes, we have the transit warehousing, warehouse billing, more processes, but those are the major which I am explaining you. Okay. So thank you very much, guys. If you need any help, you can reach to me social media. Thank you very much. See you once again. Bye bye.